Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic. You guys can tell we will be talking about Terra Luna Classic. We're going to talk about what really is going to happen with the Terra Luna Classic price moving forward as we go into the year of 2023. Looking at the price, it is currently trading at 0.00013 cents mark. It's down once again 5% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative. Also down about 5% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. If we're looking at the market valuation for Lunc, it is currently at $800 million with the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $70.5 million. But now let's get right into the charts and see what is happening and whether or not we should really be worried now as we are currently analyzing Terra Luna Classic and obviously keeping the overall market momentum in mind. But before we do get into that, you guys know that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So you guys can see right now we have gone below the massive level of support for the price of Terra Luna Classic. To really put this into perspective, you can see how strong this level of support really held for us over the past few months. We did wick below it back on December, but really managed to mainly stay above this level of resistance over the course of the previous few months. And now we are finding ourselves below this level of support, and this can really be a massive bearish sign for the entire community of Terra Luna Classic for the immediate short term, of course, because if we're looking at the price of Bitcoin, you guys know Bitcoin is retesting this level of support continuously back to back. We've been supported by the $22,000 mark, which on my channel is extremely important. This is a deciding factor. If we go below $21,000, I turn bearish, and we've seen constant fight in between the bulls and the bears happening right now at this support line. So far, it is holding. The price has been holding, but if we go below this, guys, we could be in a massive pain structure for the entire market, especially below this previous yearly higher low for the price of Bitcoin. So what does this mean for Terra Luna Classic? Obviously, Terra Luna Classic now is basically as some last life support for BTC. We're being supported by these levels of resistances over the past few months, which now are obviously playing as a level of support. If we do not hold above this 0.00012 cents mark, it is very possible we could see Terra Luna Classic fall down to below that 0.00001 cents mark. So we could possibly be losing a zero shortly if the price were not to hold. And on top of that, if Bitcoin were to see that retracement I'm talking about, that is obviously going to have a massive impact on it. So we're looking at about a 30% drop in the price of Terra Luna Classic. I'm being quite realistic with you guys here right now. That is currently what the charts are speaking. Especially losing this support is huge for the price of Terra Luna Classic, and this should not be taken with a grain of salt. Obviously, if we go above this, that is great, but like I said, if we close below this 0.00012 cents mark, then I do believe that there is a high likelihood that we could retest those levels, especially if Bitcoin were to see a retracement as well. And obviously, we could see BTC dominance start increasing back towards these highs that we saw back at the beginning of the year. So this means that Bitcoin is going to be holding stronger compared to altcoins, and if Bitcoin dumps, that means we're going to see altcoins bleed even harder. So very critical times right now for the entire markets. But again, this is a learning lesson for everyone. Do your due diligence, research, invest what you can afford to lose, lock in profits every single time, and diversify your portfolio. So these are factors that everyone needs to keep in mind. The risk, you may be saying that everything was booming, the market was looking great, but why do me specifically? I'm not sure about other YouTubers, but if you guys can go watch my videos from the day one. Always cover Bitcoin price, because we have strong correlation with the price of Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes down, entire market gets impacted, so the overall upwards trend can get invalidated. So that's something that we do need to keep in mind when we're analyzing crypto space. But that is currently the scenario that is looking for Terra Luna Classic. We are currently ranked in the top 60th spot, so let's hope that we stay in this range. But like I said, things are looking bearish for the immediate short term currently. But let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price going in the immediate short term, and if you guys agree with my overall price analysis. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you guys tomorrow. I've been Crypto ZX, and peace out.